Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to prevent another admin from managing live streams in your Telegram group using the latest update on Telegram Web for PC. If you want more control over live events in your group, this quick guide is for you. First, open your browser and head to Telegram Web. Log in to your account as usual. Once you're in, look at your chat list and select the group where you are an admin. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage other admins in this group. Now, at the top of your group chat, click on the group's name. This will open the group's profile and settings. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on it to enter the group management menu. Inside the edit menu, find the section labeled Administrators. Click on it to see a list of all the admins in your group. Scroll through the list and select the admin whose permissions you want to adjust. After clicking on the admin, you'll see a list of their privileges. Look for the option that says Manage Live Streams. This setting allows an admin to start, schedule, or manage live streams in your group. To prevent this admin from controlling live events, simply toggle off or uncheck the Manage Live Streams option. Once you've disabled this permission, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the window. This will apply the changes and immediately restrict the selected admin from managing live streams in your group. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control over who can manage live streams in your Telegram group. This is especially useful if you want to keep live events organized or limit streaming access to only trusted admins. Thanks for watching. For more Telegram tips and updates, stay tuned and keep your group management sharp.